All right, guys, we have Working Rigs by Matchbox, and this is the GMC c8500 top kick tree trimming truck. Not only a lot to say, but a lot to see, because this thing has a lot going on. Let's pull this out. Hopefully you don't damage anything. So if you get this, guys, just saying, it has a lot going on for it. Okay, so number one, this thing goes down, it tips. That's awesome. So what else I like, you got the bucket right here, and that goes all the way up. See the bucket right there? That's cool. You got the platform. Very, very, very sharp. Lots of great detail. Look at the detail. That's got rubber tires. No, it doesn't. But it does have what looks like beautiful rims done. Nothing going on in the back. Great detail. It's metal on plastic. Very, very sweet. This is a nice rig. Absolutely. Very, very nice. You got the step ladder in the back. Remember, this thing goes up and down. Really, really sweet truck, guys. Moving part. Well, it's working rigs, we'll say, not moving parts. Sorry. Matchbox working rigs. Tree trimming truck. Thanks for watching, guys. Always something different. You never know what's coming up next. We got some 5-packs in the works, too. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please subscribe.